In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a contact in HubSpot. Now to do this, first you want to go to your left over here inside your dashboard and you want to hover over CRM and you want to click on contacts. Inside contacts over here, it's going to first show you the entire contact list you currently have, and then you want to go and click on add contacts here at the top right. So I'm just going to click on that and I'm going to click on create new. That's how to add a single contact. Of course, you can add multiple by repeating this process as well, or you could go and import them if you want to as well. But for this time, we're just going to use the create new button and we're going to create a new single contact and add it to our contact list. From here, you first want to type in their email. So I'm just going to go with john.doe@johndoe.com or whatever. Of course, it has to be the correct email. I just wanted to use this example email for this tutorial over here, which likely is nobody's email. And then the first name has to be put in here, the last name over here. And of course, you can go and select the contact owner. You can put in the job title. For example, let's just do something random. For example, engineer, like this. Then the phone number can also be put in here. You can go and of course select whatever you want here to put in their phone number, or you don't even have to if you don't want to do this. And then you have the life cycle stage. So that's going to be either subscriber, lead, marketing qualified lead, sales qualified lead, opportunity, customer, or evangelist, or other. Over here there's a bunch of different ones. I'm gonna keep this one as a lead. Then you want to put in the lead status, which can be any of these on the list. I'm gonna go for new. And then last but not least, you have the legal basis for processing contacts data. So you want to select, of course, the legal basis. I'm just gonna go with this one over here, and that's all you have to do. Now, what I also have to tell you is that the things which have this kind of star next to them means that you actually have to fill these in to be able to continue, but all the other fields are usually going to be optional. Then you have to click on the create button, or if you want to add another, you can click on create and add another. I'm just gonna hit the create button like this, and it's automatically gonna open up the lead or your contact just like this. And if you go back to the contacts list by clicking this button top left, it's going to show you the entire lead list or contact list where you can see that John Doe is now in here, okay? So that's essentially how to add a contact in HubSpot. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.